guys, Bobby here, Bobby's Backyard Auto Work. Another day here on the HHR. Today we are going to do the I'm getting a code P0013 and a P0010 VVTi actuators, and I've cleared it and it keeps coming back, so there's something wrong there. So I'm going to check the ohms. I already bought new ones. They're cheap enough. Intake, exhaust. Sometimes it's saying that it's could be low on oil or dirty oil. The oil is not that dirty. It's low a little bit, so I'm gonna put some in. Then I got the cam positioning sensor and the inner tie rod. So we got some work to do today. I already got this loose. See if I can get this out in one hand. There we go. This foam is nasty. Alright. And there they are. Really easy. I'm gonna get my my voltmeter, put on some ohms, see if they're bad. Alright, I tried take some ohms off of this. It would give me no reading, so I'm just gonna change them. Like I said, there's got to be something wrong with them. The wiring doesn't look like there's nothing wrong. Like I said, the oil's not that dirty or it's not that low. Like I said, I'm gonna fill it up a little bit, and I'm gonna change these. They're really simple. Two 10mm bolts, and just change both. They're cheap enough. There's the new solenoids, and like I said, it's two 10mm down there. Whoa. And I'm going to put a little bit of oil on this O-ring on this one, and this one's the intake, this one's the exhaust. I think they just slide right out. There. Maybe not. Oh man, they made it look easy. Alright, let me pry these. I can't do it with one hand. Alright, I got them loose after prying them out with my curved needle nose. Just get under there, pry it up. Pry it up. Man, camera work sucks today. Pull it up, and they come up. They look pretty dirty. I don't know. I should have cleaned the. Damn it. Yeah, I should have cleaned down there before I pull it out. Crap. Shit. Alright, I'll clean it when I take out the other one. Crap. I did not know it was that dirty down there. Crap. Alright, let me go get a rag. I'm going to use some of this oil for that O-ring like I told you. But yeah, it's pretty dirty down there. Crap. Okay, got them installed. Plugged in. So now let's clear the ECU and drive it around, see what happens. Put on the intake, tighten it up, and take it for a test drive. Alright, so far so good. No lights on the dash, no nothing. It's up to temperature. Might have to put some more gas on the evap. Will what do you call it? Complete. But yeah, not too bad. Smooth. Doing about 50. Alright, there you have it. Check it out. Everything's complete except for the evap, and I can get it smogged with the evap not complete. Awesome. Fuck yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead to the smog shop, get the brake and light inspection, get it smogged, register this thing next week. And we're here at the smog shop for the brake and light inspection. My homie's gonna hook it up right now. As you can see, no lights on the dash, so should pass. Alright, he's got his machine hooked up. He's doing the smog right now. And this thing does not leak any oil. None. She runs smooth, quiet. And there you have it. Brake light inspection, or brake inspection, light inspection, passed, smog, passed. All in one day. That's so sweet. So today's Saturday, so Monday I'll go get it registered, but still no lights on the dash. That's because the seat belt right there, I don't have it on. 80 miles an hour on the freeway, not a problem. No shake, shimmy, nothing on this thing. Just put the e-brake on. So yeah, she runs like a champ. Alright, real quick, I'm gonna restore the headlights, possibly the fog lights. This is what they look like right now. Then I'm gonna get the rest of the lettering off on the windows and the mileage and some more on the other side. So let's hook up the headlights. And there you have it, restored headlights, like new. Alright, that's going to end this episode on the HHR. Until next time, talk to you guys later.